Hey everybody, what's up? It's Dave. I'm here with Miss Jackie and her 2012 Jetta, and she's got a brake light out. Can't figure out exactly how to access this bulb, so let's dig into this thing and see how it's done. First, let's confirm that the light is actually out. It's this driver's side.
Looks pretty out to me.
It's pretty out. Alright, so that driver's side bulb, we got to get it out and replace it. Alright, so here we are. We're in the trunk, and this is the driver's side. We've got a little panel right here, you can see, and this just pops out. Get that out of the way. And if you look, you've got a little thumb screw in here, and if we loosen that by hand, also you can use a flat bladed screwdriver, or even a socket that would fit that if it's in there. Some of these can be in there very tight if they've been in there for years. But this screw comes out, and then let's come around the outside again. Okay, so once we take the retaining screw out, it's the only thing holding this lens into the car. Now this will come out of the car carefully. And then we've got one electrical connector. Or actually, we don't even... Come on. One electrical connector, and then the whole lens will come out. And now once I'm in here, I've got a couple of points that I can pinch together, and then this thing should come out. Come on. Like that. So I'm pushing these two together, and it will unhook it from the housing, and here's where the bulbs are. So we'll set this aside. We got these two bulbs. Here's the double filament bulb for the parking light and the brake light, and this is bad. So let's get another one of these. Alright, so here's another brand new bulb. I think this is number 1157 if I'm not mistaken. I can't read it on here, but anyway, we're going to put this. It's got these two little legs. One's closer to the end and one's further up, so that these two meet the correct tabs. Let's see here. Come on. Push in, give it a quarter turn, and now it's locked in place. And so we take this, we snap it back in place, like so. We reconnect the one connector, like so. Lens back into the car, and then I'm going to reach inside and I'm going to reapply this retaining screw. So let me hop in, apply the brakes, and see what happens. That's it.
Beautiful. Thanks, Dad.
Alright, and there you have it. Quick and easy, how to replace the brake light in a 2012 Jetta SE.
Thanks, Dad.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope it helps you out when you're in the parking lot of AutoZone. Thanks for watching.